Hello everyone. Today I am starting a video regarding to the PHP. So I just simply declare, or I just simply talked about only the star print. The first star print over here, the first series I am declaring in this video. After that video I will move to the next one, but particularly in this video I'm just talking about the first one. Okay, so you can see over here I use backslash, which is called comment out. This line is not shown in the what can I say, in the screen. Okay, so that's why this line needed to be comment out, and I just do this. Okay, so we are talking about in this particular program, so let's get started. Okay, first of all I am set a target. So whenever I set any variable, so I need to declare those variable in PHP through the dollar sign. Okay, then dollar target, dollar t means dollar target. So my target is here. See, I am taking 1 2 3 4 5 lines over here, so my target is 5. So I set my target, which is 5. Then I need this star in a table format, so I need to start a table. So that's why I echo means the print portion. Okay, whenever I am printing anything in PHP I use echo, not printf, not other one. I just use echo. Then under the echo I declare the table portion. So I start the table, which is double inverted comma, and then we start the table. We write over here table and write border. If we don't write this border portion, border 1, border 2 means the border section only. If I am not mentioning the border portion over here, then this table is not shown. And if I want to be showcase my table, I need to mention a border. Okay, then you can see the table is under the angular bracket. If I am not mentioning the angular bracket, then it will shown here a error. Okay, so then the next thing, I am starting a for loop. Why should I start a for loop? I'm starting a for loop because if I am not mentioning any for loop, this star will be not print, because using the for loop, whenever the loop is going on, suppose $i equals to 1. Okay, so the $i less than equal to target. Our target is 5, then $i value is 1. It is less than or equal to $target. Yes, it's target. The condition in fulfill. Then the printf the echo tier. It means this portion, the row portion. Okay, the row portion. After that, if I am not mentioning for loop, my star will be not gonna be printing. Okay. After that, under the echo portion, I starting a for loop, a next for loop to print the star. First for loop using to the print the row, second for loop using to the print the star, means the value. Okay, inside the row you can see so many values over here, so many stars over here, so we can use the second for loop. Okay, the second condition is $j equals to 1. Is $j less than or equals to 1? Means there is $1 is the value of $j. Okay, and the $i value is what? The $i value is also 1. Okay, then this is the condition is true. Yes, true. Then echo print star, okay, under the TD portion. If you don't know about tier or TD or particular how to formatting a table, I will upload a video regarding that. Okay, so you can print the star under the, you should to be print the star under the table. After that I go to the next for loop, which is count the space over here. Okay, so k equals to $I. $I value is now 1. K value is now 1 because $I is 1 and the 1 is assigned to the k, so k's value is also 1. K less than target. See, I am not using less than equal to target. I am using less than target because if I am using not less than equal to target, then the gap will be print 1, 2, 3, 4 or another extra line 5, but I am not needed, so why should I taking so many stress over here. So just I am printing the target value is 5, the I value, the k value is 1, condition is true, it's less than means it print the 4 spaces over here. So I just 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces will be automatically printed. Okay, then space print, so we don't use any variable over here because I want to the simple space over here. After all of this loop, I am just breaking the loop. If I am not breaking the loop not going to terminate over here through the next line, okay, or through the condition. So I am breaking over here echo break, using echo break. Then I am go to the loop, okay, under the loop you can see this loop is going on. Okay, the next line echo ampersand I value is now 2. Why 2? Because I is plus plus. Okay, I is plus plus. So ampersand $I value is, sorry, I am always using ampersand, but it's not ampersand, it's dollar, it's my fault. Okay, the $I value is now 2. The next tier or the next row will be printed over here. Then after that I am going to the next for loop, which is $j equals to, right now $j value is not 1, 2 because j plus plus, j increment the values over here. So $j value is right now 2. 2 is less than or equal to $I. $I value is now 2. Yes, the condition is true. Then I print the 2 star over here because it's less than and it's also 2. So I am printing 2 star because the value is 2. Okay, after that I go for the next row. $k value is right now $I. $I value is after the increment 2. So the $k value also 2. Then $k less than $target. $target value is what? $target value is 5. So 2 less than 5. Yes, 5. The condition is true. Then they're printing 2, 3, 4 because the value is k right now 2. So the space will be this way, 2, 3, 4. After this I am going to the next portion over here, the for loop. Again I go to the for loop. I say I plus plus, I value is now 3, printing the third row. After 3, j value is also 3 because j is also incrementing the value. So j's value is right now 3. J less than or equals to I means 3 less than or equals to 3. Yes, the condition is true. J value is 3. So there is printing 3 star over here. After that I am going to the next portion. K also plus plus means k's value I is right now what? Right now the k value is 3. Okay, 3 less than $t means 3 less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. The printing over here 3 and 4 because the k's value is 3. After that I am going to the for loop again over here, the first for loop. So i's value is right now 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5, yes. The second row, the fourth row will be printed over here. After that I am going to the next for loop. J's value is also 4. 4 is less than or equal to 4, yes, this is right. So I am printing 4 star over here because J's value is 4. After that I am going to the next for loop. The $k equals to $I. $I value right now is 4. So 4 less than 4 less than 5, yes, 5. So there, this gap I am printing 4, means the space. I am printing the space. See, I am just say 1 2 3 4 over here in the space portion, because a good understanding of you all. Okay, after that I am going to the first for loop again. The i's value is right now 5, target is 5, yes. 5 is less than or equal to 5, yes, the condition is true. The last row will be printed over here. After that I am going to the next for loop. The next for loop, j's value is right now 5. 5 less than or equals to 5 means $I, yes, this condition is true, so I am printing 5 star over here. After that I am going to the k. Now k value is also 5, but 5 is less than or equal to $I. 5 is less than $t. No, because there is the k's value is 5 and also the $t value is 5, so it's gonna be not printing over here. So yes, it is our star printing. After that I am closing the echo tier tag. Okay, after I use echo break because of the next line. If I am not using break, the row will be printed the same line over here, the star printed the same line over here. So I am using echo break for this purpose. I am using echo tier because if I open a tier, I need it to be close the tier. After that, after the for loop portion, I am closing the for loop, which is I am opening in the first, After that I am closing echo table because I also open the table, so I need to be close. Okay, this is our first program in PHP regarding the star print. So yes.